Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use the new suggested photos as wallpaper feature in One UI 8, powered by Galaxy AI. This is a super cool update that automatically recommends the best photos from your gallery to use as wallpapers and even lets you control what appears in the list. Let's get started. First, long press anywhere on your home screen until the menu appears. Now tap on Wallpaper and Style. Next, go to Home Screen, then choose Wallpapers. Here you'll see a new option called Suggested Images. These are smart photo suggestions that Galaxy AI selects from your gallery, usually your best shots with clear subjects, pets, or scenery. If you want to manage what appears in this list, just tap the three dots in the upper right corner. From there, you can choose to hide people from suggested images, useful if you prefer only landscapes or objects. You can also tap the three dots again and select Suggest Again to refresh the list and get new wallpaper options. Now scroll down to explore the suggested photos. When you find one you like, simply tap it, choose whether you want it on your home screen, lock screen, or both. And you're done. You've just learned how to use suggested photos as wallpaper in One UI 8. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share it with other Galaxy users. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.